name's Jo Saxby, and I work with a company called Factory Internet. We're located in Hastings. It's been the past 3 years that we've actually kind of morphed into more of a managed services business, and providing cloud technologies and support and security around that. My pathway to where I am now was being absolutely kind of clear, I guess, and figuring out what kind of company culture I wanted to be within that worked for me and my personality, and that only comes from being within organisations and seeing, I guess, what was actually not working for me. And I'd done a few exercises and a bit of writing around that, and sometimes I think it takes that writing down to actually kind of process and fathom out what those are. And I think it's really important then to identify companies in which has that alignment of ethics and values as yourself. That's been really, really important for me, and probably the number one